There's a lot of companies reporting this week, but I brought some in two hot categories, beauty and social media, and they kind of go together. There's no surprise of why they are both hot at the same time. But what do their charts look like? Let's dive right in. The first one out the gate isn't the one you might think. It's not Ulta, it's e.l.f. Beauty. Ticker is e.l.f., that's easy to remember, and they've got this great track record. They haven't missed since their 2016 IPO, although for some reason we have a few quarters missing in there in 2018 and 2019, but they've had two big beats in a row, as you can see those big green arrows there in 2019. How was their holiday season? The makeup category has been a little challenged as skincare and some other areas have seen a boost, but makeup a little bit weak here as the industry is waiting for the next hot thing. So what will e.l.f. Tell us what 2020 is looking like? This will be a big one in the beauty, so you might want to tune in. And then one of the bigger names, Estee Lauder on the beauty side, they've got a great chart. They haven't missed in 5 years. Shares to start the year were at new highs here, but then in October they lowered their earnings guidance due to Hong Kong, to Brexit, slowing growth in China, and now we have the coronavirus, still some issues in Hong Kong, and Brexit has actually happened. So investors getting a little jittery here, not to say they're going to miss or mess up this chart, which looks great here, but shares maybe too hot to handle here with all of these unknowns. So this is one that will most likely be impacted by the coronavirus because they were already talking about slowing growth in China even before the virus. So this is one you're going to want to tune in on. And then switching over to social media, Twitter. So they're coming off their first miss since our data began back in 2016. So that's a disappointment that they have now marred their otherwise great track record. But shares are off those lows a bit here. And could this be a buying opportunity? We will see. And then I'm going to switch over to Pinterest, which is kind of intriguing me here at these levels. It's managed to beat the last 2 quarters pretty big. But shares did bottom out in 2019. They were looking a little cheap there, and some bottom feeders came in. But can it hold this? Can it actually start to make money shortly? It's very close to doing so. And what will that mean for the stock if they do? And then switching to one that's not in beauty or social media, but I decided to bring it anyways, CBOE. This is the platform, the trading platform, the stock exchange and the largest option exchange in the United States. They have a good track record with just that one miss there in early 2018 going all the way back to 2016. So these shares also off their lows. Can they get some momentum to take out that 2018 high? We will see. So there's a lot of interesting names going this week and next week, so you don't want to miss a single one of the charts I put together. And I'm also going to be tweeting out these names and more throughout earnings season. So get the charts on Twitter. You can get them at Tracy Reinick on Twitter, and get the videos on our YouTube page. You can subscribe over there so you don't miss a single one at Zacks.com/YouTube. But I'll be back next week and several weeks after that as earnings season continues on with some more great charts.